Hello, good afternoon, sir. I'm going to Batu Badebo Street and I don't know how to get them here.
Leave my husband alone. Are you blind? This is how young girls like you seduce men. I beg you, hold it there. Look what you're wearing. You're showing us your laps.
Am I the one that asked you to dress like that?
And you're still talking. And you.
God forbid, I can't shit on you. God forbid, you know that. Eh? Calm down. All is in order, my wife. All is in order. Stop troubling yourself. All is in order.
And this one too is in order.
Hey!
No, in order. This one is in order.